Hey YouTubers, it's John here. Hope everyone's doing well. It's Sunday night. I'm going to put together a quick shave. We could talk a little bit. Today I'm going to be shaving with Oleo Soap Works Rougere. So now this Rougere is a rose fougere, and I'm going to be matching it up with the aftershave splash, which is alcohol based. And for today's shave, I put a small amount into this bowl, and I'm going to be lathering it from the bowl and then to my face. My brush today is going to be my TG Shave Company's beautiful brush that Todd Goodstein made for me. And it's got a AMAX synthetic knot in it. So I'm going to just load this up. Hope everyone's had a nice week and into the weekend. So this soap, I'll tell you a bit about it. It's a Canard formula duck tallow. And it lathers up very quickly. Very nice soap. And from what I could see from the lather, it's nice and dense as well. So we're going to bowl lather this with a synthetic knot. Very nice. Excellent, excellent. So the soap scent is excellent. Absolutely excellent. It's rose, geranium, oud, lavender, patchouli, oak moss, coumarin, tonka bean, and vetiver. And it really smells fresh and inviting. It's delicious. Very, very nice scent to the soap. It is a duck fat soap. So I've got a couple of days of growth, not too much, but it's a little pasty. So let me put my bowl down and put a little bit of water into the soap. Loosen it up a little bit. Very nice. The rose and fougere together is just spectacular. Very nice. So I had gotten Smoke on the Water from Oleo, and I was so impressed that I ordered all of their duck fat soaps so that I could try them all out. Very good. So this is the second duck fat soap that I'm trying out, and so far it's performing exactly like the other one, but the scent is fantastic. So my razor today is a new one to me. I just got it recently. It's a Nobiru 55 Silversteel 6/8 short blade. And it's a beautiful, beautiful razor. It's Japanese steel. And it's just the blade is a little shorter than I'm used to using. But it feels really good in the hand, so we're gonna throw this together. Here we go. Remember, very important is stretching your skin. Very nice. The blade is a little short for me, It definitely is shaving, so that's for sure. So a few announcements, if you guys have not heard. I know I haven't made a video in a little while, but SMG Soaps, that's me, will be closing down February 1st. You're probably wondering why, and the main reason is I'm going to be going into the hospital for a major surgery on the 6th of February, and I'll be out for, I have no idea, could be a month, could be 3 months. It all depends on the recovery. But while I'm recovering, I won't be making any soaps. So I'm going to close my store in the meantime, and I'll reopen eventually. But for now, I'll be closing down. Very nice. Nice first pass. Okay, close my blade up and just wipe down a little bit. Very nice, very nice. So what I found was this duck fat soap has got a great amount of residual slickness to it after the first pass. It's very nice. I don't have to do much, and it really is an exemplary soap that Oleo makes. Very nice cushion, and it's got a decent amount of cushion. You could see it's not too thick. It's more on what I like, which is more slickness than cushion for a straight razor shave. But it's an excellent, excellent soap. So the scent is just fantastic. Just clean up a little bit around my mustache. There we go. And now we're going to do a against the grain pass. Remember, let the razor do all the work. The weight of the blade is plenty to be able to do all the work that you need. Beautiful, beautiful. And tomorrow's Monday, so I don't have to do 3 passes, just 2, just to get by. A nice two-pass shave with a straight razor is going to be well sufficient. Very nice. So we're getting ready, the South Florida Wet Shavers. We're working hand in hand with Douglas Smythe to prepare South Florida for the oncoming Big Shave East that's supposed to happen soon. In June 30th, actually, is the date. Just fantastic. Very nice shave. Super sharp razor. Just touching up. Excellent. Oh, that was a very nice two-pass shave. And again, my razor today was this Nobiru 55 Silversteel 6/8 short blade, Japanese. And here's the box, in case anybody wants to see. That's the box it came in. Very nice. And when you put a really nice sharp straight razor and you put that to work on your face with an excellent soap like this fantastic Rougere made by Oleo Soap Works, and it's a rose fougere. Very good. Let me just wipe off, and now I'm just about ready for work. Excellent shave. And my brush was made for me by Todd Goodstein at TG Shaving Company, and it's absolutely gorgeous. It's probably one of my favorite brushes I own. And here's Todd's logo at the bottom. You can all see. It looks like Jimmy Neutron. That's why I like it. So it reminds me of Jimmy Neutron. And let's finish up our shave with, always shake your aftershave with our Rougere. And I'm going to splash a bit on. Wow, I like the scent of this a lot. So what's interesting is, okay, so it says right on the label, may contain menthol. That's what it says. May contain menthol. So I'm gonna take a wild gander and say that there's menthol in this. I definitely can feel the coolness and smell it a little bit. Very, very nice. Great shave. Very excited. Keep your eye out. SMG Soaps will be closing, like I said, on February 1st. Not indefinitely, but for quite a while until I'm all healed up. And I'll keep in touch with you guys. And when I'm feeling better, I'll start making some more videos. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed my shave. Please remember, have a wonderful, wonderful shave. Have a great day. And be kind to one another. Take care, my friends.